Good evening and a warm welcome to you, friends. Friends, if you are doing Bachelor of Arts in any of the subject and if you just want to know more about the career options available in that subject, so see this video till the very end, as today we are going to start this new series where we will discuss about each and every subject on a daily basis. We will also discuss about the courses available in that subject and the career options available after those courses. Hi friends, I'm Bharat Manocha, founder and director of Inspiring People India. I am 39 years old and an educational coach. Right, so today we will discuss about Bachelor of Arts in History. So guys, Bachelor of Arts in History is an undergraduate course to study the evaluation of human civilization from prehistory to the present times. This is a 3 or 4 years course and that offer detailed research of major historical events that took place within a country or across the globe. Right. Further, if we talk about the history, so BA in history is there are so many specialization further in this subject also, as the specialization could be in the art history, it can be ancient history, it can be cultural history, it can be economics history, it can be military history, it can be social history, or it can be the world history. Right, so these are the specializations available into the history subject itself. Now when we talk about the advancing careers in history subject, right, so history is a very wide subject that takes you on a journey of mankind, that develops your insight into the future of civilization. If you are the one, if you are someone who get curious about figuring out the larger picture of how the world has evolved, you can further pursue a master degree in history itself, and also you can do the PhD for specialization. Some of the study programs to gain advanced knowledge in this field. There are diploma courses also available in history. So you can pursue any sort of specialization courses after that. The courses available are the Master of Arts. You can do MA History there, right? So after that, also you can do MPhil, the philosophy professor. You can be the doctorate of philosophy, PhD. You can do there. Diploma in history. There it is also available. So related to history, the diploma in archaeology is also available at that, as the archaeology is related to architectures. So the ancient architectures are also there where you can just put your research and all such things. So diploma in epigraphy is also one of the subject. The epigraphy is related to the ancient contents. Those were written on the stones, those were written on some other hardwares, right? So such topics are also there, such courses are also available there. Then diploma in museology is also there, like the museology is related to the museums available, the ancient museums available here in India, right? So there are a lot of museums available in India. If we talk about the killas of the old emperors and all such things, so there are a lot of museums available for that part. So you can do, or you there's also a career in that part. After that, the diploma in museum administration, you can do that. That museum modeling is also one of the subject. So there are also postgraduate diplomas in archaeology, ancient culture, and history. The postgraduate diploma in archives also there, right? So there are a lot of options available in history itself where you can pursue further for your masters, where you can pursue further for your doctorate and all such things, right? So We will also discuss about few of the job opportunities or the careers available after those courses and all such things, as the history is consist of the study of cultures and societies of the past, right? So it is quite interesting to know that studying this subject opens up the fantastic job avenues. Below, if we talk about some of the job opportunities, if you just want to know, so I'll just tell you about those things after the BA history graduate, right? So you can be a historian, where you can just write content about the history and all. You can be an archaeologist, where you can just discuss about the architectures available, old architectures available. You can be an auctioneer for the museums, right? As there are so many things available into the museum which get auctioned time to time, so you can be an auctioneer for that part too. You can be a museologist, you can be a museum creator, you can be a archivist, you can be a history expert, you can be a tour and travel expert also, you can be a professor. So there are a lot of options available after that. You can be a journalist, you can be a social worker, you can be a politician. So there are a lot of lines available, there are a lot of career opportunities available even after that. So if you are doing BA in history, so there again lot of career options available, and according to your interest, according to your skills, you can just choose your career wisely. So while studying history, the way individuals view and the world around them, if you are someone who has a strong desire to study about the history and are willing to set a skills of challenge skills in a challenging and supportive environment there, so you can start by a BA history. Then you can also go for the masters, MA history you can do, MPhil you can do. So there are a lot of the further masters you can do there. After that you can also do the PhD, or if you just want to start your career, so you can also have so many career options available there in BA history itself, right? So this was the one which we discussed, where we discussed about the BA history today. So in the same way, tomorrow we will discuss about another subject. It may be from BCom, it may be from BSc, right? So if you just want to know more about the career options available in all the streams, all the courses, so follow us on Instagram at Inspiring People India. You can also follow us on Facebook with the same Inspiring People India, right? You can also WhatsApp me on the given WhatsApp group there. So there are, please follow us, subscribe our YouTube channel, right guys? If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe that, and also click on the bell button so that you will get the notifications further for all the videos that we are going to put on YouTube channel. Thanks guys, thanks a lot, have a blessed day.